Hurricane Larry continues to move to the west-northwest at 14 miles per hour at this point. Its maximum sustained winds are still at 125 miles per hour. Its current location is 17.4 degrees north, 47.1 degrees west. It is still expected to become a major hurricane at this point. Latest intensity models, some of them go up to Cat 4. The majority of them keep it at Category 3. Couple even go up to Cat 5, so we're not going to have to wait on that. The models have also been a little changed a little bit. They are still out moving west-northwest, but a couple of models now have it coming closer to Bermuda, and that's the big update we have right now, because the Bermuda at 10 o'clock Central, 11 o'clock Eastern time was in the cone. Now it's still in the cone, but some of the models have it coming a little closer to the island. Then it's a little less comfortable now. These are the Atlantic sea temperatures right now. Larry is in around here at this point. It's going to go into some warmer water, which will cause it to strengthen. However, there is discussion of a potential eye wall replacement cycle that may take place after it strengthens to a Category 4 hurricane, which will knock the intensity down, then strengthen back to a Cat 4, and then weaken as it moves into cooler waters and less favorable conditions for development. Now back to the satellite. I'm going to show you this real quick, that stadium effect that every hurricane specialist talks about. There it is right there. It's usually very pronounced around evening time. It's still a very big eye. It just looks very impressive on satellite at this point. And it's still a huge, like I said, it's still a huge eye. And the hurricane force winds extend 45 miles from the center, tropical storm 160 miles from the center. At this point, that is basically unsustainable. Either this hurricane's going to expand in size, or the eye is going to shrink, and that is indicative of a strengthening hurricane. That's something we're going to have to wait and see. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications for more updates on Hurricane Larry, on if it hits Bermuda or not, and just a general strengthening of this system.